Running a news channel was always a hard-working and expensive task, but in this era of AI, everything is possible with minimal effort. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step process of making a news channel with the help of AI. So without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, we will create a brand new YouTube channel. If you have a channel already or are familiar with creating a channel, then you can watch for 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Okay, let's start the step number 1. Open your browser and log into YouTube with a Google account. After that, click on the avatar icon from here and then select Create a Channel. Now we have to give a name to our channel. If you have your own name idea, then use it, but this time I will use ChatGPT for a unique name suggestion. I am giving prompt as I am going to create a new news channel. Please suggest some name for my channel. Okay, ChatGPT has given some ideas. These names are a little bit lengthy. I will ask for a short name in just 2 words. GPT has generated some name. Again, it's also lengthy, but I like this name. I will take only Insight News and avoid the news. Okay, now paste your name into YouTube and then click on the create button. Our channel has been created successfully. Now we will customize our channel to make it professional. Click on customization here and then click on basic info. This is our channel name. After that, this is our username. You can change it to make it simple. Okay, now we will add a proper description on our channel. Let's go back to ChatGPT and ask for a channel description. I am giving a prompt. My channel name is Insight. Now please write a slogan and YouTube description for this channel. GPT has generated a description with a slogan. Okay, copy the description and paste into it YouTube. After that, click on the publish button. Okay, now we need to upload a channel logo and channel banner. For creating a logo and banner, I will use Canva. You can create from anywhere. After log into your Canva account, search for logo. Now click on blank. You will show a vast number of logo templates on the logo creator page, but need a news channel logo, so search for news logo in the search bar. I like the first one. After selecting your desired design, customize it as per your need. After editing, download the logo and come back to YouTube. Upload your logo. Okay, our logo has been uploaded. Now we need a channel banner image. Go back to the Canva homepage again and search for YouTube banner, then select blank. Now search for the news YouTube channel banner. You will find a vast number of channel art. Select the best one and then customize it as per your need, and then download the image. Okay, now upload the banner image. After uploading the channel art, our last step is uploading the video watermark. We have to upload the logo image again. After completing all the steps, click on publish. Alright, our channel is ready. Now we need to create news content. But the question is, how can we collect news? And the answer is Google News. Just go to Google News and select a piece of engaging news for your video. After selecting the news, copy it into a doc file. Okay, our news is ready. Now we will create a news presenter. For creating a news presenter, we will use an awesome AI tool named HeyGen. I will put the link in the description. After opening the HeyGen website, click on Try HeyGen for free. Now click on the sign in button and create an account with your email address. After creating the account, find the start with an avatar and select it. Now you will find more than 100 real human-like avatars. Select one avatar. You can edit the avatar. Also, you can change the outfit, but the interesting thing is that you can swap the face. Also, even you can upload your own face. Also, after completing the editing, click on Save as New. After that, select your customized avatar and click on Create Video. Now go to the doc file and copy the first paragraph of your news. After that, you can change the voice model if need. It's not very important. Alright, now click on Submit button. Oops, I have done a mistake. We need a green screen background in our video, otherwise it may create disturbance. In the next step, let's do it again. Select the color palette form here and select green as the background color, then copy the news article and paste it again in HeyGen and change the voice model, and then click on Submit button. Now have a cup of coffee because it will take some time. Okay, our video is now ready. Let's play it.
The killing of 3 U.S. troops and wounding of dozens more on Sunday by Iran-backed militants is piling political pressure on President Joe Biden to deal a blow directly against Iran, a move he's been reluctant to do out of fear of igniting a broader war. The killing of 3 U.S. troops and wounding of dozens more on Sunday by Iran-backed militants is piling political pressure on President Joe Biden to deal a blow directly against Iran, a move he's been reluctant to do out of fear of igniting a broader war.
It's looking great. Turn off the caption. We don't need it. Now download the video. It is the first part of our video. We need more parts, but the free version of Hey Gen only allows 1 credit. If you want to purchase their subscription, then you can skip the next part and continue from 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, in the next step, we now time to create a backdrop or news environment. To make our news video more attractive, you can download newsroom stock footage from any website. I will download it from Canva. If you are unable to download it from Canva, then you can watch my previous AI news anchor video. Okay, after downloading the newsroom asset, now let's edit the video clips and make a proper news video. You can use any kind of video editor software. This time, I am using Wondershare Filmora because it's very user-friendly and the best option for beginners. Alright, open your video editor software and then insert all the footage into the media folder. First, insert the intro scene in the timeline, and then add the news background, and then add the first video timeline to at starting point of the news background. Add all the video footage in order. I am going to fast forward this part. If you are confused, please watch the previous video from the I button music. Okay, our editing is now completed. Let's export the video. Alright, we have successfully created our news video. Now it's time to move in the final step. Now we will upload the video on our brand new YouTube channel. Just click on the create button and then select your video file. Give a related title and then add a catchy thumbnail. After that, add some related tags. After completing the process, publish the video as public. Okay friends, we have successfully created a news channel. Let's watch our first video together.
The killing of 3 U.S. troops and wounding of dozens more on Sunday by Iran-backed militants is piling political pressure on President Joe Biden to deal a blow directly against Iran, a move he's been reluctant to do out of fear of igniting a broader war.
An ambitious climate agenda. It's really a unique experience. I would love to hear about your experience of creating a news channel using AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,